Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're going to be looking at angle addition and subtraction. We're going to take some angles and find the missing angle lengths to some problems. So let's begin. Alright, so we're going to do one of these problems at a time here. So I've got both of them up here. I'm going to start with the first one where they don't draw out the diagram and they just give you the angles and their measurements by their names. So I'm going to highlight the angles to show you what I'm talking about. So on this one, they want us to solve for angle ABC if the measurement of angle ABD is equal to 30 degrees and the measurement of angle DBC is equal to 30 degrees. So you got to know what the angles are and how to name them and everything. So if you come through here, you see it says ABD. They want to know ABD, this angle. If this is 30, and this angle DBC, is 30, then how much is this angle here, ABC, the bigger angle? So it's kind of obvious. You take the 30 and add it with 30, and you get 60. So the measurement of angle ABC is 60 degrees. All right. Next, let's try this one. We're going to solve for angle UVX. And notice they don't give you any of the words here. You're just going to take the picture diagram and go from there. So on this one, we're going to start off with UVX. That's the angle we're looking for. We're looking for UVX. So what do they tell us? Well, they tell us that the big angle, UVW, is 72. And you could tell that, I'm going to go back here, with this marking coming across through here. See how it doesn't stop right here? It goes all the way over. So the whole angle here is 72. This whole amount right here is 72 degrees. So we know that's 72. And then we know that this angle here, XVW, is 42. All right? And we're looking for this angle. So to find that angle, what we're going to do is take the 72, the bigger angle, subtract 42 from it, and we get 30 degrees. So this little angle here, UVX, is 30 degrees. Okay? And that's some angle addition. I, again, want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.